Hey guys, is your Google Ads shown in the wrong location for your business? If you found this video, then probably it is. I'll show you how to pinpoint where your ads are shown so you get a better performance and a better return on your ad spend. Hey guys, a common mistake I often see when people are advertising on Google is when they get their location settings wrong and it's costing them an absolute fortune. If you were a coffee shop, would you be advertising to people 300 miles away? No. If you were a vet, would you be targeting people at the other end of the country? Probably not. Well, it happens so often that people make these mistakes again and again and again, and they complain that Google Ads don't work for them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump on the computer and show you exactly how to fix this. So if you log into your Google Ads account and go to your campaigns, you can see there's a couple of campaigns here. You might have one or you might have several. If you just click into one of the campaigns, and you will see more details, and click edit in settings, and then scroll down to location. You can see that currently it's covering the whole United Kingdom. If we just drop this down and enter another location and then click advanced search. Now here you can choose where you're going to target your ads. So you can do by location or by radius. It depends on your business and where your customers are based in. So you can do radius, let's say Manchester, and you can do a 20 mile or 50 mile radius, or even down to 5 miles. You can see that's where your ads will be shown. You can drop this down, click on the edit button, drop it down to 1 mile, and you can see it's narrowed down. So if you've got a small budget but you're just covering a 1 mile radius, then you can see your budget would be really focused on that area. It's not going to be shown outside of that 1 mile radius. You can also type in postcodes, so M1 or M14, target this area, see, M2 or M20, M3, so you can see now that you're targeting specific postcodes. This is brilliant if you're actually just a local business, because then you can see where your actual searches are coming from, and therefore after a while you're able to put your budget into that specific location. All you need to do is just click the save, and then remember this is just being brought out by Google Ads quite recently. So you can see that target. You can target people in or who show interest in your targeted locations, and that's recommended by Google. I wouldn't recommend that. People in or regularly in your targeted locations is a far better option if you're actually based in just Manchester. You see, Google Ads isn't just technical. It's about understanding your business so you can target your budget with maximum effect. It's the basics of marketing. Know who your customers are, know where they're located, then use laser precision to create a campaign to target these people and monitor the response. For more tips and advice, visit my website leadgenguy.co.uk, where you can download my Google Ads checklist for free.